Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to manage your Google Drive but got frustrated selecting files one by one, today's tutorial is going to make your life so much easier. I'm going to show you how to select all your files in Google Drive, whether you're on desktop or mobile, so you can organize, move, delete, or download them in seconds. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to avoid common mistakes that can save you from losing important files. Let's start with the desktop version, since that's where most people manage their drive. Open your Google Drive and make sure you're signed into the correct account. To select all files in the current folder, simply press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Instantly, everything in that folder gets highlighted. Now, here's something most people don't know. If you're in My Drive and want to select literally every single file, make sure you scroll down so all files load, then use the same shortcut. Google Drive only selects what's visible, so if some files haven't loaded yet, they won't be included. What if you want to select just a few files instead of everything? Hold down Control or Command on Mac and click on each file manually. This is great if you're trying to move or share multiple files without affecting the rest. Before making bulk changes like deleting or moving files, double-check your selection. Many people accidentally move shared files or important documents they didn't mean to, and that can create headaches later. And that's it. You now know how to select all files in Google Drive for both desktop and mobile in 2025. This simple trick can save you so much time when managing your digital space. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and foolproof tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.